People who are unable to use a mouse rely on the keyboard to interact with the web. Those who are blind and some sighted people with mobility impairments rely on keyboards or assistive technologies and strategies that use keyboards, like voice input. The accessibility of a website involves providing keyboard access to all content and functionality, links, forms, etc. During page navigation, keyboard focus could be displayed as a border or highlight. On a well-designed website, users should be able to explore and engage with all interactive elements just using their keyboard. Here's how it works. The Tab key allows users to move forward through interactive elements like links, buttons, and form fields. Shift plus Tab lets users navigate backward through these same elements. As for choosing or interacting with these elements, the Space, Enter, and Arrow keys get the job done. But what about getting to the main content quickly? That's where a clever design feature comes in, a Skip to Main Content link. This link, typically hidden, becomes visible when a user starts tabbing through the page. Selecting it will take users directly to the heart of the page, bypassing navigation menus and other elements. This can be a real-time saver, as users don't have to tab through the entire navigation section every time they visit a new page. It is important that the keyboard focus is visible and follows a logical order through the page elements. In this example, clickable elements do not receive keyboard focus, preventing keyboard-only users from selecting these elements entirely and preventing them from moving forward with the next actions.
Let's start with the Skip to Main Content link. This clever design feature is typically hidden from view, becoming visible only when users navigate via the Tab key. So to annotate this in Figma, let's search for it in the Assets via the Skip link. This one we're going to use is different to the one GDS uses. I'm just using this because it's been preloaded. You would actually change this to suit your designs, i.e. this would be the yellow that GDS uses. So we would place it at the top here to indicate where it would be. So technically it would be here on the GDS, but some people actually place it here once it's been brought into view. The problem with that is that it can actually end up covering content like this depending on your content of the page. So it's best in the placement of where GDS has it at the top, and it would probably span all the way to the right. But like I said, this depends on your design. So then you would need to show that it actually, once it's enabled, once it's selected, it goes to the main content. So you just want to search for some arrows. Here we have right angle. You can also leave a comment for the developers stating, once it's enabled, it goes to the main content area. Next, we'll deal with the tabbing order. This is a sequence in which users move through interactive elements on your page using the Tab key. You can represent this by visually numbering your interactive elements in the order they should be reached. This helps developers understand the navigation flow intended for keyboard users. Here I've already searched for it under order, so we're going to drag that over here. You've got number 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll just renumber these. Here I've done one earlier, as you can see, just to save some time. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, going all the way down to all of these. Lastly, it's essential to show focus or highlight states of your element. So when a user taps onto an interactive element, it should clearly stand out. This should be done by designing distinct styles of the states. For example, a button might have highlighted outline on focus. To annotate this, create separate states of your interactive element and label it clearly to indicate the focus state. So here you've got the types of button, if it's hover, focus, and disabled.